Paneer Biryani recipe at home. Take your block of paneer and cut it into cubes. Now switch on your stove and place your kadai. Add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Add your paneer cubes and fry it with the ghee. Fry them until they are golden brown. To a mixer grinder, add 2 pieces of ginger, 4 garlic cloves, mint and coriander. Grind them. Take 2 green chillies and slice them. Take 1 onion and cut it. Along with that, take 1 tomato and cut it. Your paste should be like this. Take your pressure cooker and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Add cashews, cloves, cardamom and cinnamon. Mix them. Add your green chilies. Mix them. Add your chopped tomatoes and onions. Mix them for a couple of minutes until they turn a little mushy. Add your paste. Mix them. Add half a teaspoon of Jeera powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder and half teaspoon of Garam masala. Mix them. Add salt to taste. Mix them. For 1 cup rice, 1.5 water is the measurement. Add 1 cup of soaked Basmati rice. Mix. Add your fried paneer cubes. Mix them. Close the lid of the cooker and let it whistle for one time. And your Paneer Biryani is now ready to serve. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.